Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome back to another video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I uploaded a new video. So in this video we're going to be discussing about how to set up a perfect Fiverr gig. So, and also I'll be sharing with you or show you how perfect gigs looks like. So we'll be looking into different niches on Fiverr, and I'll be showing you different gigs on maybe the title, tags, description, and gig image, because that is what perfect gig actually contains. So I would like to show you from drop shipping or logo design. So let's check out drop shipping. So we will see some different kind of gigs, and also we'll be able to decide how or which one is perfect from there. So with that method you're able to use or set up your own gig as well. So let's check on this first one. So you can see here I will build a converting one product Shopify dropshipping store. You can see the title is straightforward without any stress, and here you can see this is the keywords, the gig title this seller is using or used to create this gig. I want you to understand something here. You can see here Shopify dropshipping store, Shopify website, one product dropshipping e-commerce. All these things here contain only keywords. There is no converting, there is no build. You can see what I'm actually saying. So if you want to set up your own gig, you need to stock in keywords. What do I mean by stock in keywords? Let's say for instance, coming. Let's take for instance now. Let's say for instance you want to use a keyword like this. So example here, I will, let me check on the title, so because that's what I actually want to use as an example, so you'll be able to understand. So you can see this type of keywords here. This is first keyword, second, third, and fourth keyword. So this seller stocked in all these keywords. Then after stocked in and saved the gig, then he go ahead and edit it again to this current one. So if anybody or any person actually input these keywords on Fiverr search, so the gig will definitely appear on Fiverr, because this gig contain the keywords. You can actually see what I'm actually talking about. So that is that for gig title. Then here come gig tags, because that is what you set up first before you go ahead to the gig description. So you can see here dropshipping, Shopify expert, Shopify website, e-commerce. You can see all these keywords are related to the service that the seller is offering. You can see here. Then let's check on the gig description. So we'll see if it is well detailed, and then okay, yeah. So you can see this one here, one product Shopify dropshipping store that are stylish, clean, and professional. So the seller explain why you should choose, and then what the service includes. So this is one and all package. You can see here. So you can see here. So this seller explain what you get once you order the service. Then you can see the gig image. This is well perfect. This is very well perfect. You can see here. Something simple, no stress. You can see. So that is for that gig. You can check, you can see all this type of gig here. You can see everything. These are well perfect and attention catching, because there is no one that looking for something like this, and if you see something like this, definitely you would like to click and see what this seller is offering. Let's check on this one. So this is product research. So I will find your winning Shopify dropshipping product. So you can see here, this one is also amazing. This one is also amazing. So you can see everything is well perfect. Everything is well perfect. So that is that too. So that is second gig. So you can see all this type of gig here. Fiverr also like promoting a gig that people are actually interested in, not just anyhow gig. You can see here. So you can see everything are well perfect. This is video art. So you can see all this gig image here, the title, the gig image, the gig video. They all are gig videos. Then gig description. You can see this one. Wow, I will create personalized dropshipping Facebook video ads that actually convert. This is so crazy. You can see here, this is what people are actually interested in. Like, they should see the kind of video you have actually made for some people. So then you just purchase your service immediately. So, and the package is kind of like very interesting. So that is what I actually advise you is, if you want to set up your own gig, you just need to check on your competitors, see what they are actually doing, so that it will help you to know what you should put in place to make your own gig also perfect. I always advise that you can copy gig title, you can copy gig title, but don't copy gig description or gig image. It's not polite and it doesn't make you look professional. So you can copy gig title, gig tags, then from there you should be able to write up your gig description to well perfect for your own gig. And also you can also use the existing sellers gig description to come up with your own gig description, but you don't need to copy this person. And also you can make a design of something like this using a Canva platform. So just add your image, then download Shopify personal image in PNG, then you can download this one too in PNG, then implement everything. That's just for free without any stress. So that is that. Then also I would like you to promote your gig on social media platform, because that's the best way for you to grow faster or to make your sales, even though if you are not getting a sales due to the promotion. Of course, Fiverr might rank your gig because they actually say that you are promoting the whole marketplace, not only your own gig. So that's that. And then what else that I think I should share with you? No, nothing else. So it actually depends on how you take this serious or how you believe in what I just said. So if you have any question regarding this video, kindly drop a comment and I'll give you a response to it as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.